Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be unboxing a Roblox Nerf gun. If you don't know, actually there's a Roblox Nerf event that happened a few months ago, but I missed it. But they still sell this gun in, well, the Toy R Us store. For some reason it's still alive there. So I gone to Toy R Us and brought one for 50 ringgit, seriously, just for this. So I can see here that this is for the game Phantom Force. It's called Boxy Busters. Then you can see there's a Roblox here like this. Actually, it's not just this product about the game. There's also this item, the gun in the Phantom Force game, if you don't know. Then you get two of these darts, this color, it's called this, you know what, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, we got all the warnings again. Yeah, don't shoot it in people's eyes unless they got protection. So you can redeem this item at roblox.com/nerf. You can see up here all the information about this. Let's get to unbox this thing now. Okay, here there. Okay. So we need to get this open also. A bit tricky. Go from the side is easiest. Okay. Looks like we got company here. What? Oh, I think I'm not supposed to do that. Look what we got. Hey, this is bigger. This is bigger than I thought anyway. Yeah. This is quite big. I'm not kidding, this is quite big. For some gun. And then we got what? Oh wait. Is this supposed to be? Oops, wait. I think I opened the wrong way. Okay, let me do this. I didn't open the both sides. Okay, what? It's like I need to open it here.
So get the bullets out.
Yeah.
I
got the wrong
kill
way.
you. Die.
Looks like at the bottom we got bullets. Oh come on! Why do we have to do that? Might as well do the top anyway. Why can't you let me? Nice. Okay, so come in this packaging.
Oh wait, I forgot. One for you and one for me. We're gonna try. Why? See? Oh, your turn.
Oh, let me. This time it's mine. Anyway, so
Don't shoot it at that. Don't shoot it at that. Shoot it on the bed. It's more safer. No, not on your legs.
I will go try.
Oh, that is a
There's some
powerful gun.
springs in there. Hey, it's time to win.
It's not.
Okay, so this code I'm going to redeem this item you can get. So this item actually has the key in the website,
What?
which is actually pronounced Let's see in here.
I thought that was gonna be strong.
Okay, so I'm going to Roblox the Roblox website there. I opened this website just now, and then as you can see, this is the Roblox website. So what I'm gonna do is click. Ouch! What's? Oh God! I think I messed up. No, what? Baidu. God. So I'm going to do this. NERF HTTPS then this and then web.roblox.com/nerf. So we're gonna go here and then it's loading. Wait, so I'm gonna redeem this code here. I think it's like I think it was like how to dress up. I think it presses this one the wall. Okay, customize. Then now if we come in here, as you can see, we got what? Let me see. Then use this like. Let me try this. Body. Is there any accessories? Oh. Let me see. Over this neck. So this is I think it is let me see. I think it was waist, right? Here we go. There, look at that. You can see that I got the Nerf in my brace. It's not exactly on my hands though. It does look like on my hand. Wait, let me go to animation. Let me walk. You see, I can actually. It's not actually attached to my hand. Like you can see that my hands move away from the gun. Is like the gun is like this, but not like go like this. Cool. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. That's all things covered about this unboxing. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Bye.